Hello students, myself Rekha. Today we will do class 10 6th lesson triangles lesson exercise 6.3 4th question. What is their fourth question? Carefully see here. In this diagram, QR by QS, QR by QS equal to QT by, here what is there? PR given. QT by PR given. Next, again what is there? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Now we have to prove PQS triangle. This PQS triangle and TQR triangle similar we have to prove. Okay. First proving, now we will use angle 1 is equal to angle 2 we will use. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, which triangle is there? Means PQR triangle. This line you leave it 1 second. Okay. This PS line you can leave it. Now you take what? PQR triangle. In PQ triangle, angle 1 is there, angle 2 is there. So now we will take PQR triangle. Here I will explain. See here. PQR triangle. Only we will take PQR triangle. This one you leave it 1 second. So PQR triangle we will take. PQR triangle. In PQR triangle, this is the angle 1. This is the R is the angle 2. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. In triangle, which triangle we are taking? Triangle PQR. In this one, what is given? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is given in the question. So two angles equal is there means their opposite sides also equal. So angle 1 opposite side what? PR. Okay, PR equal. Next angle 2 opposite side what? PQ equal. Reason you write sides opposite to equal angles are equal. This all you learned in 9th standard only. So two angles equal means their sides also, their opposite sides also equal. This angle equal means this opposite side equal. This angle means this opposite side equal. 1 means PR equal. 2 means PQ equal. Reason you write sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Okay, now you write this is the first equation. One side you keep it. Next, now we will prove which triangles similar, that triangles we will take. This PQR finished. Now which triangle we have to prove? See here. Which triangles similar we have to prove? Only that much triangles we will take. PQS. We will take only PQS and TQR. Now you leave this line. Okay. This line you leave it. Now we will take only PQS triangle, TQR triangle. So which triangle you are proving is that triangles we will take. PQS triangle and TQR triangle. Taking means sides are proportional. Two triangles taking means now in question what is given, try to understand. So similar triangles means here sides are proportional is given the proportional. What proportional is there? First we will write. In question what is there? QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. What is there? This is given in the question. Okay. What is there in the question? You can write it. Okay. Now writing after. See here, this triangle is there. So now we will take QR by QS. It is correct. So you take as it is QR by QS. Okay, is equal to, now we will take QT by we want PQ. QT by we want PQ. So we want here PQ, you can write it. This place you can write PQ. What is the reason? From equation 1. From equation 1. What is from equation 1 is there? See here, try to understand. Just now we proved PR is equal to PQ. PR, PQ. Both are equal length. So this PR plus you can write it PQ. Okay. Now see here, these two sides similar is there. Okay. This one you keep one side. Next, what to do means, see here, you see PQS triangle and TQR triangle. This PQS triangle and TQR triangle, both the triangles, what is the common angle is there? Angle Q equal to angle Q. Both common angle is there. Both common angle is there means here which criteria? These two triangles are similar triangle. Using which criteria? Which criteria means two sides is there, one included angle is there. Angle side, angle side. Big triangle you are taking means side, angle, side. So triangle PQS similar to PQS similar to TQR. Triangle TQR. Both are similar triangles. What is the reason? Side, angle, side. Similarity criteria to these two triangles are similar triangles. So here, this is the fair notes. Use it. This angle, opposite side, what is there? This is. This angle, opposite side, what is there? This is. Okay. So now these two triangles are similar triangles. Which criteria? Side, angle, side criteria to these two triangles are similar triangles. This is a little bit understanding is there. You can understand, and not understood means once again you watch it, and this is the fair notes. You can use it. Okay. Now, fifth question. See, try to understand. S and T are the points on the sides PR and QR of the triangle PQR such that angle P is equal to RTS. We have to prove that triangle RPQ similar to RTS. This is the question. So, now we will draw the diagram. See here, carefully. Which triangle is there? PQR triangle. Now you draw the triangle PQR. See here, this is the PQR. First draw the triangle PQR. Drawing after, what is there? See here, S and T are the points on PR. Where is there PR? This is the point. And PR line, which point is there? S. Okay. Right, PR line, S point is there. Next, QR line, T point is there. QR line, here, T point is there. Okay. Now you join this one. Okay. See here, PR line, S point is there. QR line, T point is there. Now join it. Next, again you is given what is the clue is there means. See here, angle P. Angle P means this is the angle. Angle P equal to RTS. RTS means middle one. T is the angle. Angle P. This angle equal to RTS. These both angles are equal is there. Now we have to prove what? RPQ. RPQ. RPQ means this big triangle. Triangle RPQ. Triangle RPQ. This triangle RPQ. Next, similar to RTS. RTS. Similar to, we have to prove RTS. RTS. We have to prove these two triangles are similar. We have to prove. Okay, see here. See here, this is very simple and easy question. See here, now you observe this triangle and big triangle. This triangle means which triangle? RTS triangle. RTS triangle. Next, RPQ triangle. Both triangles you are taking means what is the common angle is there? This is the common angle. Angle R is the common angle. See, take this triangle, this is the common. Take this triangle, this is the common angle. Okay. Now I am writing, see here, RPQ triangle. Both triangles you take RPQ triangle and RTS. Both triangles you take RPQ triangle. Next, RTQ triangle. Both triangle taking means, see here, this small triangle taking means angle R, and big triangle taking means angle R. Both are common angles. Okay, common angles. So both are common angles. Next is given in the question, what is there? Angle P equal to angle RTS. RTS. This is given in the question. So angle P equal to angle RTS. So angle P is equal to angle T. See here, in this triangle, this angle equal to this angle, common angle, and this angle equal to this angle. Two angles equal is there means automatically third angle is the equal. See here, take this triangle. In this triangle, this is the common angle. And this triangle you are taking means these two angles are equal. So two angles equal is there means automatically third angle is the equal. So these two triangles are similar triangles. Which criteria? Angle, angle, angle criteria. One is the common angle is there, one is angle is equal is given in the question. So two angles equal is there means third angle also equal. So angle, angle, angle criteria to also equal, and two angles equal is there means finish. Angle, angle criteria to these two triangles are similar triangles. Right here, triangle, which triangle? RPQ, RPQ similar to triangle RTS, RTS, RTS. Both triangles are similar triangles. Using which criteria? Angle, angle, similarity criteria to these two triangles are similar triangles. This is very easy and simple question. See, this angle equal to this angle, P equal to T given. P is equal to T, RTS given. This is the common angle. Two angles equal is there. Finish. Third angle is also equal only. So, angle, angle criteria to these two triangles are similar triangles. Okay. Now, sixth question. See here. In this diagram, ABE triangle, ABE triangle and ACD triangle. These two triangles are congruent triangles. These two triangles, which triangles are congruent triangles? So now we will prove what? ADE triangle and ABC triangle. We have to prove similar triangles. This is the question. Okay, try to understand what is the congruent is there, what is the similar is there. Now see here. Carefully see here. Now I will draw the diagram. This triangle, see. What is the triangle? A, B, C. Next, here D is there. Next, join this one. And this also join here. Here. What is the clue is there? Only one clue is there. What is the clue is there? ABE congruent ACD. Try to understand. ABE. This triangle, ABE triangle congruent ACD triangle. These two triangles are congruent. So now we will write what is given in the question only. These two triangles are congruent triangles. So using that clue we will find the answer. Right here, ABE congruent triangle ACD congruent to ABE, this triangle congruent to ACD congruent. Okay, is given. This is the clue. So congruent triangles means their corresponding sides also equal only. CPCT we will use. Their corresponding sides also we can use. Okay, we will use CPCT. See here, AB equal to, see here, these two triangles, which triangles are congruent triangles. Congruent triangles means their corresponding sides also equal. So AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. What is the reason? CPCT. Congruent triangles means their corresponding parts of congruent triangles. AB equal to AC. Next we will write what? AE equal to AD. We can take AE equal to AD. What is the reason? By CPCT. These sides are equal. Okay, these two triangles, which triangles is there? Congruent triangles is there. Congruent triangles is there means their corresponding parts. So we are taking AB equal to AC. Both are equal by CPCT. Next, AE equal to AD. What is the reason? By CPCT. Over. These two triangles, congruent triangles is there. We are taking their corresponding sides equal we are taking. Okay. Next, we will prove what is there. What is the proof is there? ADE triangle. This triangle. ADE triangle, ABC triangle, we will prove similar triangles. Okay. Triangle ADE. And which triangle we are taking? ADE triangle, ABC triangle. Triangle ABC triangle. These two triangles similar we will prove. Similar proof means any criteria we will use. Similar proving three criteria are there. One is angle is there. One is side is there. One is side angle side. These three criteria to any criteria we can use and we can prove it. Okay, see here. This triangle we are taking means, see here, two sides equal chance is there. See here. In this one, A is equal to AD is there. Next, AB equal to AC is there. So this side equal is there. Next AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. So this is the common angle. So here which chance is there? Side angle side chance is there. See here. Side angle side. Small triangle taking means side angle side. Big triangle taking means side angle side to these two triangles similar proving chance is there. So these two triangles I am taking. ADE triangle, ABC triangle I am taking. ADE taking means angle A is the common. ABC taking means angle A is the common. So now you can write angle A equal to angle A. What is the reason? Common angle. It is the common angle. Next, AD by AB I will write. AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. AE by AC. Okay. See here, two sides proportional is there and angle equal is there. So side angle side to these two triangles are similar triangles. Side angle side. The small triangle taking. Big triangle taking means side angle side. So these two triangles are similar triangle. Triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. Which criteria using? Side angle side similarity criteria to these two triangles are similar triangles only. This must answer. This is also very easy question. Again, you have any doubt also comment it and subscribe my channel. Done.